Hello, my name is Johnny and I'm a photographer and a graduate of Sallynoggin College of Further Education. I studied photography back in 2001 with Joe Sterling, and really I just started with a keen interest. I didn't know how to load film or let alone process film. I don't think I even had a camera for the first while. But luckily I stuck at it, and luckily there was good tutors and support, and I learned how to load film. I learned how to process my own film and print pictures in the darkroom, and really develop ideas and stories, and also build a great portfolio, which allowed me to go on and do my degree in Newport in Wales. I think this course has been massively important to Irish photography overall over the last few years. I know so many photographers that have come through it, and for a lot of them, it all started out in Sallynoggin. The, those first kind of building blocks and learning that stick with us today. So it's opened many doors for me, and I'm happy to say I'm still friends with a lot of the people I met through Sallynoggin, including the tutors Joe Sterling and Christine Redman, and I'd like to say thanks to them both.